The Plan Matrix page is a key destination for users evaluating a digital services subscription. However, if users feel uncertain about any features listed on the Plan Matrix page, they may hesitate or worse, be unable to decide which plan to purchase. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 1600 of Baymard's original large-scale usability test findings, explain or define all features listed on the Plan Matrix page. Testing revealed 3 design patterns for listing Plan Matrix features. Let's go over the issues with the first 2 designs and why the third design performed best in testing. The worst approach to listing features on the Plan Matrix page was simply displaying static text with no explanations. For example, a user at Box struggled with an unclear feature and couldn't find a definition. He noted that the term was too general to Google, leaving him uncertain about its meaning. Across all test sites, Plan Matrix pages listed an average of 40 features across different domains. While users may recognize some, it's unlikely they'll understand all of them. Despite this, 33% of tested sites use this static text approach, leaving many users with unanswered questions and uncertainty. Another user at Chanty hesitated before making her own assumption about an unfamiliar feature that had an additional charge on the Plan Matrix page. In short, listing features as static text without context places an unnecessary burden on users, increasing the risk of misunderstanding every feature on the page. Sites that provided tooltips or explanations for some Plan Matrix features, but left others as static text performed almost as poorly as those with no explanations at all. Users still had questions about features displayed as static text and felt frustrated by the inconsistent access to additional information. If users can't easily understand or confirm even one of the 40 features typically listed on a Plan Matrix page, they won't have the confidence to make an informed decision. For example, many participants researching cloud storage plans struggle to recognize one or more undefined features on Ignite's Plan Matrix page. Despite this, 50% of tested sites only provided tooltips or explanations for some Plan Matrix features. As seen in this example, this inconsistency led users to dismiss unfamiliar features, potentially overlooking valuable benefits. It's no surprise that the best performing design provides tooltips or explanatory content for all Plan Matrix features. For example, on Sync's Plan Matrix page, a user quickly accessed brief explanations for unfamiliar features using hover-triggered tooltips. Overall, users were more engaged in exploring plan features when tooltips or explanatory content were available on the Plan Matrix page. For example, on GoToMeeting's Plan Matrix page, a user triggered a tooltip to understand participants and then continued exploring other feature explanations. Since uncertainty about even one feature can disrupt the plan evaluation and comparison process, it's essential to explain or define all features listed on the Plan Matrix page. Yet, only 33% of sites tested provide tooltips or other explanatory content for all the Plan Matrix page features. These were just some of the highlights from our research. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your sales and pricing pages, including over 170 subscription guidelines in our research catalog. To learn more, visit baymard.com/product.